Hello, I'm so excited. The Norwex holiday season 2022 has officially begun, and our limited edition holiday products, they're available like right now. I know time with our friends and family is always well spent, but this season, Norwex is offering a special collection of Norway-inspired products designed to help us make quick work of our cleaning so we can linger a little longer with the ones we love. Whether you're getting your home guest ready or you might just want to reduce the harmful chemicals in the home, all of these products will help. Not only help, but they'll do it beautifully and easily. And you don't want to miss our special holiday sets. You're going to save money with sets, which is awesome. And sets are great for gift giving. So we're going to start off with two of our best-selling cloths in gorgeous new holiday colors. And trust me, a little Norwex is on top of everyone's list this year. So we have some limited edition Enviro cloths. You want to use these wet or dry. They clean just about everything. I can clean 90% of my home with these first two cloths. There's really no need for chemical-laden cleaners or wasteful paper towels when you have these. They have our backlock technology, which is our micro silver. It's a natural, antibacterial, and antimicrobial. So they're available in this new sage color, which is gorgeous, and mushroom with sea mist trim. I think both of these are really nice. Now we also have, this is fun, we also have some limited edition window cloths. Window cloths are tightly woven microfiber. We have some fun new patterns to bring your windows, mirrors, stainless, granite, and all the other things to a shiny, clean, streak-free shine. You can also save with sets, which is awesome. So these are the limited edition basic packages where you get the Enviro cloth and corresponding window cloth. You pick your color theme. You have woodlands, and also get ready, we brought it back, reindeer. How awesome. And the reindeer set would come with the matching Enviro. Now we also have a beautiful diamond weave kitchen towel color and kitchen cloths. It's this gorgeous sage color. Kitchen towels and kitchen cloths quickly clean up spills, splashes, splatters, that's a mouthful, and they're really your go-to crumb grabbers because of this nice diamond weave texture. They also contain our backlock technology, so you can feel confident your cloths will get all the grime up, all the grease, and 99% of bacteria, and they're going to stay fresher longer. So this is the Sage Kitchen Towel. It absorbs 2 cups of liquid, and then this is the size of the Sage Kitchen Cloth, which I love. You can get the kitchen cloth in a 3-pack, so the trio. Now, are you ready to gleam it up for the new year? We have a revolutionary advanced toilet cleaning system. Ta-da! It has 2 types of durable bristles, really cool, a no mess solution dispersal, and it also has our microsilver. All with the push of a button, you can get it done. Now the dual action bristles, they work together to scrub and then brush away the grime, which is great. The toilet brush conveniently pumps the perfect amount of cleaner, so you get a sparkling clean bowl, fit for a queen every time you clean. The built-in reservoir here holds up to 120 pumps of any non-gel cleaning solution. Now, of course, I'm going to recommend the bathroom cleaner for this. Bathroom cleaner's always been one of my favorites. It's highly concentrated, phosphate-free, and has biodegradable ingredients. They work quickly and easily to clean up your toilets, wash basins, and other hard surfaces with just one application. If you are going to use it on your basins and counters, things like that, you do want to dilute it following the instructions on the back. Now back to this baby. The base is also made from 65% recycled plastic with silver inside. So you'll never have to worry about bacteria, nasty mold, mildew smells, all the things, right? Now to really top off this duo, I want you to check out something we brought back. It was super popular. It's our Sugar Plum toilet spray. which is awesome. It has natural essential oils that create a fresh smelling barrier. It traps odors even before they begin. So just 2 pumps directly into the toilet bowl water before you go. It's a great way for us and our guest to avoid the embarrassing smells, right? It contains biodegradable ingredients. It's free from harmful chemicals. And it also, honestly, it makes a nice little stocking stuffer. It fits in your purse nice. Next, let's talk a little bit of sugar and spice and everything nice. We have a few, let's just say, sensational ways to make all your guests feel welcome without using chemical-laden synthetic fragrances, which we don't want that. So first up is our limited edition Forever bottle with foaming hand wash dispenser. It has a very pretty slip-resistant silicone sleeve and frosted glass with a brushed nickel pump. The bottle helps reduce plastic consumption and plastic waste, which is awesome. You can use any type of foaming hand wash in the bottle. We also have gingerbread spice, people, hand lotion, and it's by our Lysair line, which is so amazing. It has a blend that is rich in antioxidants. It's ultra hydrating and nourishing. It absorbs very quickly and instantly for smoother, beautiful hands. And I love the smell. I just used it a few minutes ago. Not oily at all. I just love that. We also have the foaming hand wash in the gingerbread spice scent. This is going to be a hit this holiday season. It's rich in plant-derived ingredients. It leaves your skin soft and smooth and moisturized. It's ideal for your bathrooms or the kitchen sinks. You can also save with the set here. So you can get the gingerbread spice duo and get both of them. So now next, let's check out this new, it's so cute, limited edition kids hooded towel. Oh my gosh. Wrap up your little ones in the warmth of our soft, cuddly microfiber. It's so soft. Look how nice and plush that is. And it has a fun, like Woodlands friends on the front to cheer them on, right? It also contains back lock, which again, it's a natural antibacterial, antimicrobial. The silver also helps eliminate mold, fungi, and bacterial odor. So their special little towel will stay fresher much longer. We do also have a limited edition reversible chenille hand towel. Look at this. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. This super soft microfiber dries your hands in luxury again and again and again and again before it needs to be washed. It's so great. Thanks to the backlock technology, it stays cleaner and fresher longer. I probably wash mine once a month. It has a suede-like top here, convenient for hanging. I'm just gonna move my camera. See, I have one hanging right there. And it won't fall on the floor, which is awesome. And you can reverse it, so you either get this side or this fun pattern on the other side. So now it's time to protect the flock, right? So we know that typical laundry products contain lots of harmful chemicals like formaldehyde and lots of nasties. So why take the chances using things like that when safer laundry cleaning is literally a scoop away? So we're bringing back a popular favorite, which is our lavender scented Ultra Power Plus laundry detergent. We also are bringing back the liquid dish detergent in lavender. Now the lavender laundry detergent, it's highly concentrated, has superior stain fighting powder, effectively dissolves grease, grime, whitens whites, brightens brights, you name it. It's safe on all fabrics. I love using it on my hand washables and of course my Norwex microfiber. It works really well in all water temperatures, and in my high efficiency, I only use a half a teaspoon per load. All right, we're bringing back the Fluff and Tumble dryer balls and the limited edition sheep design. How cute are these? Are adorable. They're 100% wool dryer balls. They naturally soften laundry, help reduce wrinkles and static, and they cut your drying time without all the synthetic, like nasty synthetic fragrances or other toxins that are in dryer sheets and fabric softeners. I used to use all the things, like all the different fabric softeners and such, because I love when there's a scent in my laundry, and I realized that fabric softeners and dryer sheets contain something called VOCs, which is volatile organic compounds. And when they're heated up, when the clothes are going around in the dryer, they emit this harmful gas in the air in our home and the air outside. And when we breathe it in, it causes some severe respiratory issues, allergies, asthma, all the things. And according to the American Lung Association, causes respiratory issues in over 12.5% of the population. So if you love a good scent, you can also add a couple drops of your favorite essential oils directly on the dryer balls. And there you go. That's all you need. And cheaper too, right? Now, one last thing, if you have any questions, let me know. I think I covered everything. I used all my lavender. I didn't get any yet, but the product I had from last year, I used it all. So I don't have one of these to show you, but that's the little container. So I hope you guys have a great day. Let me know if you have any questions at all, and I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.